Are you dreaming of a high-paying career in tech, but worry that you need a degree or certifications? Well, guess what? You don't. In this video, we'll show you how to achieve 6 figures in the tech industry and unleash your potential without a degree or certifications. Here's the thing. In today's world, a traditional education isn't always necessary to succeed in tech. Many companies are more interested in your skills and experience than your qualifications on paper. So, let's dive right into it. First, identify your passion within the tech industry. Do you love coding, cybersecurity, or maybe artificial intelligence? Find what excites you the most, because your enthusiasm will fuel your journey towards success. Next, learn, and learn. The internet is a treasure trove of resources, where you can find countless tutorials, courses, and forums. Take advantage of these free or affordable resources to acquire the knowledge and skills you need. Dedicate time each day to practice and hone your abilities. Remember, consistency is key. Now, it's time to build your portfolio. Start by working on personal projects or contributing to open-source initiatives. Showcasing your capabilities through practical examples is an excellent way to grab potential employers' attention. It's like a visual representation of your skills, creating your own diploma, so to speak. Networking is crucial in the tech industry. Attend tech events, webinars, and conferences. Connect with industry professionals and learn from them. Building relationships can open doors to job opportunities you may have never thought possible. Finally, never stop learning. The tech industry is constantly evolving, and you must keep up with the latest trends and advancements. Stay ahead of the curve by continuously updating your skills and knowledge. Remember, success in tech is not limited to those with degrees or certifications. Your determination, passion, and commitment to growth are what truly matter. So go out there, unleash your potential, and make those 6 figures in tech a reality. Like the video and subscribe channel for more such inspiring tech content.